Jeto Young.
DJ Fizzy.
Z. Jeto Young.
DJ Fizzy.
Z. Who is this car?
It's one of my car.
Your very car.
Yeah. This is the fourth one.
Scoop
More are still coming by the grace of God.
My brother, congratulations now.
We thank God. We thank God.
So,
Well, I have somewhere go and we see you. Wait, DJ Fizzy, wait. Take this one for a drink.
my brother, thank you.
Your transport. I
Thank-
will see you.
Thank you now.
12 seconds later.
What did you bought that they have not bought before? Yeah! You even gave me money. I will even throw the money away now. Yeah! Let me throw it in my pocket. Because of another car. Let me just congratulate you so that don't look as if I'm not happy for you. Like, fool. Nonsense. My brother, leave the road for me.
My brother, call me.
I saw you when you were rejoicing with your brother that bought a car. We know your type. In his front, you are rejoicing. In his back, you are criticizing. Do things in a tactical manner.
Hey, Scoop Etenya.
My brother, change.
Alright, thank you for watching that funny video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all social media so that you don't miss any of our content. We love you. Thank you for all you have done. See you.